Okay, so total we have how many teeth? 16 here and 16 there. That gives us a total of 32 teeth. Till now, till here it's clear. So, and one more organ is left, that is tongue. If you see your tongue, you all can see your tongue, you all can see your teeth. Okay, one thing more about the teeth. The teeth is also the outer part of the teeth that you can see. What is it called? You know that. You have read this in class 4th. I've seen it in the book also. What is the outer part or outer part of your teeth called as? It is called as a crown. क्या बोलते हैं? Crown. Should I write it? I need to rub the board. So okay, I'll just rub the board and then we'll come to the outer part of the teeth. Okay, so I'm rubbing all this. These organs are already covered. So this is the outer part of our teeth we call as the crown. C-R-O-W-N. The crown is visible to us. And the teeth also has root. एक root भी होती है teeth के पास. But in your book, since we follow the NCERT book, it just has the number of teeth we have and the kinds of teeth we have. So you just concentrate on this. I think the kinds of teeth are clear to us, and I hope you have studied this in previous classes also. Okay, so we're just left with tongue. You can all see your tongue. A tongue is something like this. Now, what is the function of tongue? Can you tell me? क्या function है tongue का? Yes, I'm speaking with the help of my tongue. And when I eat, it helps to swallow the food also. है ना? Two functions. And what else? Yes, the most important function of the tongue. The most important function of the tongue is that whenever we put up any food particle inside our mouth, we get to know about its taste. Now this activity you will do. I'll rub all this. This activity. Now this activity of tasting the food, you should tell me. You need to tell me, you can message me in fact, and you need to tell me which portions of your tongue tell you what kind of food, what kind of taste the particular food item has. And what are the some kinds of taste that you can feel in on your tongue. We can feel bitter taste hai. Bitter is what? Is kadwa. Okay. Now is it sweet? Okay, your toffees are sweet. Is it sour? Your lemon is sour, that means khatta. So it's bitter, sweet, or else it is salty. Okay. So what kind of taste, in which portion of your tongue you feel what kind of these tastes that you are going to tell me. You can message me or you can write. This is your homework for today. Okay, this is your activity homework for today. And few tips for digestion also, since we are over with the process of digestion here. And let's have some tips for digestion. Yes, very simple. You all know all this. You have been, even before you studied the process of digestion so vast here, you've been following these steps. Because as soon as we are in this world, we start eating. You know, eating is a primary activity. We can't do without food. Otherwise also, even when you're not hungry, we do eat. But what are the few points that we need to keep in our mind so that our digestion process takes place nicely? Yes, number one, that you will chew your food very nicely. Right? Chew properly. You should chew your food very nicely. Chew your food properly. Otherwise, as I already mentioned, it is going to get stuck in your esophagus. Right? It will create problems for you. Okay, drink lots of water. If you don't drink water, apart from being dehydrated, digestion में problem आएगी. Your body needs water. Even if your mother is cooking something in a mixer, she adds what? Water. पानी डालते हैं ना, तभी वो जो है सारा का सारा whatever she wants to grind, it turns into a paste with the help of water. Some deal of water is to be added. So you have to have water. So you need to drink. Second point is that you need to drink water. Okay, you need to chew food. You need to drink water, and then no junk food, because junk food, your body takes a lot of time, lot of energy to digest this kind of junk food. In fact, if you eat Maggi, pasta, all these things which are made from refined flour, the body takes, like normal food components, as I already told you, they take 3 to 4 hours for your stomach to digest. But if you eat such kind of foods, it takes far much longer. So say no to junk food and stay healthy. Okay, no junk food. This is the third point. And what is the fourth point? Do not overeat. Yes, this is very important. As I already mentioned, that our favorite hobby, our favorite pastime activity is what? It is to eat. Do not eat. Give your stomach some rest. I've already explained when I was explaining the process of digestion, that give your body some kind of rest, because it's a machine. If you overuse a machine, then what happens? The system fails, है ना? So give it some rest. It is always good to give at least 5 to 6 hours, 4 to 5 hours, or 5 to 6 hours. Nothing will happen. And another important thing before I wind up with the process of digestion is that if you do not throw away the waste products from your body in the morning, kindly do not eat food. Do not stock up your body with food. This undigested food which you clear your stomach in the morning, those are very harmful substances. So you should wake up early in the morning and clear your stomach, only then have food. And if your stomach is not clean, nothing will happen. Just wait, give your body some time, and then you have something else. Make it a habit. Drink lots of water, follow all these steps, and your digestion will be nice. After all, it's a machine, as already mentioned. Okay, so with this we come to the end of digestive system, and I hope it's clear. I have sent you the pics of the pages of the book also. You can study each and every component nicely. Now for your class 5 level, if you see the questions that come in the examination, generally what is asked, I have already given you in the worksheet for the first class, that name the organs of the digestive system. And when we come as we proceed, next question that is asked is explain the process of digestion. So you have your book, just go through it, study, and follow what is written in it. And I've also explained, okay, each and every organ, the main organs, that was the organs of the alimentary canal. You eat food from your mouth, it goes to the esophagus. From the esophagus, it goes to the stomach. It takes 3 to 4 hours for your food to get digested, and it, with the help of some digestive juices, breakdown of food takes place, and then it goes to the small intestine. In the small intestine, nutrients are absorbed again with the help of digestive juices. Then it goes to the large intestine, and from the large intestine it is thrown out of the body through anus. This is all. 1 or 2 lines with this is sufficiently enough for for class 5. Okay, don't overboard yourself. Go step by step. These are very complex processes. As you go higher classes, you will be getting more and more of to add to all this. Okay, so this was all about digestion. Okay, but do study from all those pics that I have given you, and practice making the diagram. When it comes to making the diagram, please don't concentrate on making the human body. All this is not required. Just make the main organs. Like I've made a very rough diagram, but this is your mouth, this is your esophagus. So just concentrate on the main organs. Don't be too artistic. This is not a drawing class. This is your EVS class, and this is chapter very typical. In fact, just a science biology chapter covering major organ systems. So with this we cover digestion, and now we'll be moving to the other organ system, that is I'll be teaching you the excretory system. Okay, so I'll give you some questions also. You need to do those questions and understand this concept before we move on.